This is the third video on HTML from beginner's point of view. I would like to talk more on some HTML tags already in the index file. The doc type. This special tag is used to inform the browser that this is an HTML format. That is, the document type is HTML. The next special tag is the HTML tag. This one. It is the foundation of the HTML entire page. It starts here and ends at the bottom. All other tags are in between HTML tags. The next tag to talk about is the head tag. It defines a special part of the web page called the head. It starts with angle braces and ends with angle braces. Inside the head tag, there is the meta tag. Which is used to provide some information to the browser. This tag does not need a closing tag. There is the title tag. Which is used to determine the page title. The information given here will appear in the title bar. The page content are placed in between the body tag. This is placed after the head tag. Here is where all the visible part on the page will live. Okay, I will continue in the next video. Please hit the like and subscribe on my channel. Regards.